Welcome to winter in sunny SoCal. I got two of my buds who actually flew me out to Cali. Thank you guys. Thank you. But what's up, Esteban? How you doing, man? How old are you? Where are you from? You've been living here? Like, what's going on, man?
I'm 19 years old, and I've been in Southern California all my life. Just graduated from community college, so yeah.
My name is Laird. I'm 18, freshman in college. Stumbled upon Luke, and he had the opportunity of coming out to us and taking it from there.
That's right. Number one, because I'm an FBA freak, all right? You got to be a freak to do this kind of stuff, especially during the pandemic we're facing. Actually, I created an offer for my program where I'm able to fly out for 5 days and get people step by step, finding a product, getting everything sourced from the manufacturers. And actually yesterday, you guys were pretty stoked. Like, how many products do you think we found yesterday?
We found over like 50 products easily.
We kind of narrowed it down from that list to about 20 products that were really, really good, and just kind of went from there. And today we hit up suppliers. But day one, what'd you think of the day one spot? Like,
Started at the bottom and only up from there.
yeah, that's honestly how it went. Like, the first day, you know, I moved into an Airbnb. It was kind of last minute because of COVID. I wasn't able to stay at my buddy's houses here, but I rented just a really last minute Airbnb. Super kind of sketchy place. Like, literally the cops came in there today because some chick had some issue like getting to her room or whatever. But hey, it's all about those humble beginnings. And yeah, it was just cool to kind of start from there and then work our way up to finding products that literally, yeah, we're gonna touch on that in a second. Don't worry, guys. Millions of dollars could be a potential outlet in the next, 6 months to a year if we really pan these things down. But yeah, day one, we kind of just worked on your guys' listing that you already had of a product live on Amazon, refined their PPC campaigns. That's already starting to prove some sales for us. Then day two, we hit up the product research, found like 50 products using different methods from Helium-10, Jungle Scout, other methods, digging into other competitor storefronts, things like that. Yesterday, we honed down that list. And today we started messaging out to suppliers. So did you guys think it was kind of crazy to just like fly somebody out here to do this kind of thing, or like?
For sure, when we saw the opportunity, we were really surprised because we were gonna buy a course anyways,
Mm-hmm.
And then to actually have your mentor come out and help you that's crazy.
Yeah, unreal.
So how long have you guys kind of been partners in business and everything?
We just started Amazon FBA like literally 2-3 months ago.
And before that, you guys were in school, or how'd you guys meet again?
Yeah. High school together, played basketball, pretty much best friends throughout. And then he just hit me up about the business a couple months ago, and we got to work on that.
Jumping into kind of the products that we found, really our main goal was to just find something that's going to be more of a high ticket product. So
Sure.
we definitely found a massive list of those. Some of the ones that we're diving into are a little bit more, you could say, risky or hard to get into, but that's a big thing. You want to have a product that's going to have more obstacles that others aren't going to want to do, so that you can differentiate yourself, have less competitors, all that good stuff. So what do you think of the products that we're starting with two that we're going to dig into and message suppliers? If those fall through, we have a whole nother list that we're going to do. But what do you think, man?
So I got real high hopes for these two products, and then even if they don't work out, we got a long list of other ones to dive into. So I'm excited.
What was your main goal, like, for getting me out here? Was it just finding the products, or what
It
was
was just to find multiple products in order to like actually just do this full time and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, and you guys are 18, 19. I thought you guys were older based on the maturity levels I'm dealing with out here. And how'd you find FBA? You guys just kind of look through, or?
Just YouTube just recommends it.
Yeah.
When you get in that rabbit tunnel.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, right now we're just gonna go grab a fire pizza. Where's the pizza spot we're gonna eat at?
Petrillo's.
Food out in LA is amazing, but the weather's even better. It's really cool to see people this young, like, getting fresh out of, high school. He already finished like community college at a time when most people are graduating high school. So like, good on you guys for that. And the potential of starting this business at a younger age is, you look at 3-4 years down the road. I'm 27 already. I went to college. I spent all these years doing all this other stuff. And when I realized the cost of me getting a job in a 9-to-5 is gonna mean I only have one stream of income, one way to make money, versus I can start products on Amazon. Each product is its own stream of income. So Did you guys see any other business models besides FBA that, like, there's drop shipping? Did you look any of these other things?
I've been doing drop shipping for probably several months, but it's just not as stable, and then sometimes, you know, your accounts get flagged, like on eBay and other websites like that. But I feel like Amazon FBA is just like a more stable way of, you know, creating income.
I was just into stocks mostly, and that's it.
Yeah, stock market's been going crazy, and that's one great place where you can put your money after you built something in Amazon. Not only can you funnel more products to build up your brands and things like that, but you can also start getting into down payments for homes if you want to get into real estate or stock market, and just watch your income and everything else just grow right alongside it. So just had to get the camera out here. We're just doing it big out here, guys. You know what it is. We got the squad, the whole squad out here. We're at a little park. And yeah, let's go grab a pizza, guys.
Let's get it.
Let's do it. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.